So this is the Target 14 Days of Beauty. I think we're at day 5 at this point. So today, Real Technique beauty sponges, these guys are on sale for 50% off. So this is a killer deal. So the single sponge is on sale for $2.45. This ends today. This is in store and online. Also, you can do the 2-pack. And the 2-pack is not on sale. The 4-pack is not on sale. So it looks like the only one that's on sale is the single Real Techniques beauty sponge. This is a killer deal. You can do it in store, do it online, but definitely don't skip on this guy. And then also we have an online deal for the Honest mascara. So the Honest mascara is regularly $14.99, but it's on sale for $7.50. It ends today, and this is online purchase only. So I don't know much about this mascara, but out of 1,314 reviews, it has 4 stars. Well, almost like 4 and what is that? 4 and like 0.10 stars. I don't even know how you would even say that, but I've never tried this item before from Honest Beauty. I haven't tried anything from the Honest Beauty line, to be honest with you guys. So again, this is going to be in store and online. And then if you spend $50 or more, you can enter this code gift for you and get a free Target beauty box with your purchase. You save 5% with your Target Red card. And then you can get free shipping with your Red card. So nice little deals for Target's 14 Days of Beauty.